Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a peaceful autumn journey through Richmond Park, one of the London's most historic and beautiful nature reserves. From golden leaves to free roaming deer and calm rivers, this is the perfect escape from the city. As soon as you enter Richmond Park in autumn, the atmosphere changes completely. The trees turn shades of amber, gold, and red, creating a dreamy natural canopy. Every step feels cinematic. Richmond Park is famous for its free-roaming red and fallow deer. These majestic animals have lived here since the 1600s. They are calm, elegant, and surprisingly comfortable being filmed as long as you keep a respectful distance. Beyond the forested areas, the park opens into vast grasslands and rolling hills. Richmond Park covers more than 2,500 acres and making it London's largest royal park. A landscape so open that it feels like you have left the city far behind. One of the most peaceful parts of Richmond Park is its small rivers and ponds. The reflection during autumn are stunning, and the water acts as a natural mirror for the changing colors around it. I spent hours wandering through trails, stopping to appreciate the small details, falling leaves, warm sunlight, and peaceful silence. Every corner of this park has a story. As the sun sets over Richmond Park, the colors become even more magical. It's the perfect reminder of why we need spaces like this: beautiful, wild, and calming. Thank you for joining me on this autumn walk through Richmond Park. If you enjoyed the peaceful nature vibes, hit like and subscribe for more travel and nature videos. See you in the next adventure. Bye bye.